Welcome to our guide on how to add priority levels to tasks in Asana. Asana is a fantastic tool for managing your team's work, projects, and tasks online. It allows for seamless collaboration and organization, but sometimes you need that extra bit of structuring to ensure the most crucial tasks get attention first. That's where adding priorities to your tasks in Asana comes into play. Let's dive into how you can do this, ensuring your projects run as smoothly and efficiently as possible. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to Asana's homepage. This is where all your project management begins. Once you're there, locate and click on the Log In button. For many of us, the quickest way to log in is through Google, so go ahead and click on Continue with Google. It simplifies the process, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. After clicking, you might see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one associated with your Asana account. This will take you into your Asana dashboard where all your current projects and tasks lie. At this point, you're looking to manage a task, so click on My Tasks. This section is where you'll see everything assigned to you. Now, to specifically address how we can highlight certain tasks over others, we need to customize how they appear in our list. Look for the Customizes button. It's your gateway to adding priority levels to your tasks. Clicking on Customize opens up a field of possibilities, but what we're interested in is adding new fields to our tasks. So the next step is to click on Add Fields. In the Add Fields search bar, type in priority. This action is crucial because it tells Asana exactly what type of field you want to add to your task organization schema. Now, Asana might suggest a priority field, or you can create a custom one, allowing you to type in the levels of priority you desire. This could be anything from urgent, high, medium, to low. It's customizable to suit whatever your project needs. After typing in your desired priority levels, you'll see an option that says Add an Option. Click on this to include each of your listed priorities. This step is vital as it ensures all your specified priority levels are ready to be assigned to various tasks. When all your priorities are listed, click on Create Field. This action finalizes the addition of your priority field into Asana's task management system. With the priority field now created, it's time to put it to use. Navigate back to your task list and click on any task you wish to assign a priority level to. On the Tasks page, look for the newly created priority field and click on the priority options. Here you'll see the priority levels you created earlier. Select the appropriate priority level for your task. This step is where the rubber meets the road, as assigning priorities effectively guides you and your team on what needs immediate attention and what can wait. And there you have it. You've successfully added priority levels to your tasks in Asana. With this feature, you and your team will have a clearer picture of task urgencies, allowing for more efficient project management and execution. Remember, prioritization is key to managing workloads effectively, and by following the steps we've outlined today, you're well on your way to mastering project management in Asana. Keep exploring, customizing, and optimizing your Asana experience for seamless project execution. Thank you for following along, and here's to your continued success in managing your projects with Asana.